Today, we're going to learn about polite speech in Korean, called
존댓말,
in Korea. Using
존댓말,
is very important, especially when you're speaking to someone older or someone you're not close to. Not using it can be seen as rude. So today, let's practice some basic sentences in
존댓말 앤드 반말,
casual speech. You can use with close friends. Hello, hi.
In polite way.
안녕하세요,
In casual way.
안녕,
Thank you, thanks.
In polite way.
감사합니다,
In casual way.
고마워,
I'm sorry, sorry.
In polite way.
죄송합니다,
In casual way.
미안해,
Please eat.
In polite way.
드세요,
In casual way.
먹어,
I like you.
In polite way.
좋아해요,
In casual way.
좋아해,
Welcome.
In polite way.
어서 오세요,
In casual way.
어서 와,
What are you doing?
In polite way.
뭐 하세요?
In casual way.
뭐 해?
Are you okay?
In polite way.
괜찮아요?
In casual way.
괜찮아?
Got it?
In polite way.
알겠어요,
In casual way.
알겠어,
Please help me. Help me.
In polite way.
도와주세요,
In casual way.
도와줘.
Here's a quick tip. In Korean, many casual words can become polite simply by adding yo at the end. If you're unsure, just add yo to the end of casual speech. It often works. Now, here's a quick review of everything we've learned. Hello, hi.
안녕하세요, 안녕.
Thank you, thanks.
감사합니다, 고마워.
I'm sorry, sorry.
죄송합니다, 미안해.
Please eat.
드세요, 먹어.
I like you.
좋아해요, 좋아해.
Welcome.
어서 오세요, 어서 와.
What are you doing?
뭐 하세요? 뭐 해?
Are you okay?
괜찮아요? 괜찮아?
Got it?
알겠어요? 알겠어?
Please help me, help me.
도와주세요, 도와줘.